Good morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. In the last session from Unit 1, Lesson A, The Tattered Blanket, we have learned that there are three characters in this story. They are Old Amma and Kamala, the widowed daughter of Old Amma, and Gopi, a government officer who lives in Delhi with his wife Vimala and 4 children. He is son of Old Amma. Already we have learned the character of Old Amma. Now in this session, before knowing that the characters of Kamala and Gopi, we should learn the vocabulary first. See children, in the first one is Thinna. Thinna means here sit out, and we can call it also veranda. And the next one is futile. Futile means unsuccessful. And the third one is huddled. Huddled means held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. And fourth one is reluctantly. Reluctantly means not willing to do something. And mumbling. Mumbling means speaking unclearly and quietly. Next one, exasperatedly. Exasperatedly means very annoyed. And seventh one is irritation. Irritation means annoyance. And the next one is on toes. On toes means busy and ready to work. Now children, we can see the description of Kamala. Kamala, the widowed daughter of Old Amma, she looks after her mother carefully and lovingly. Old Amma thinks that Gopi writes letters every day to her, but he never wrote letters to his mother. To keep her mother in high spirits, she tells her lies that letters are coming from Gopi every day, asking about her mother's health and welfare. When Gopi visits her mother after 5 years, she asks him whether he has come really to see his mother. Then Gopi replies that he wanted to sell his share of property as Delhi was too expensive. But Kamala knows that after disposing of his land, he might go away with the money. She knew that he would not come there anymore after that. If Kamala is not there, Amma would not have lived to be 83. Now we can see the description of Gopi. Gopi is a government officer in Delhi. He married Vimala, the daughter of the district collector Nambiar. He is very busy with official tours. Gopi did not come for a long time to visit his old ailing mother. He never wrote a letter inquiring about his sister's problem or even about his affectionate mother. Once he happens to attend an office meeting at Thiruvananthapuram. On his way back, he goes to see his mother. He felt annoyed when his mother could not remember him, though he did not visit her even occasionally. Actually, he wants to raise some money by selling his part of the family property. This suggests that he is a selfish and thankless man who does not have concern for his mother. He has no genuine love for the members of his family, especially for his widowed sister and old ailing mother. Now, children, we can see the description of the entire story. That is the summary. Gopi, a government officer, lives in Delhi with his wife Vimala and 4 children. He is very busy with official tours. He has an old mother who is 83 years old and a widowed sister Kamala in his native village. Kamala takes care of her old mother and looks after her affectionately. Gopi's mother loves Gopi very much. She expects a letter from him every day. But he has no time to write a letter to her. But his sister does not let him down before his mother and says to her that every day Gopi writes a letter and inquires about her welfare. Once Gopi happens to attend an office meeting at Thiruvananthapuram. On his way back, he came to see his mother. He felt annoyed when his mother could not remember him, though he did not visit her even occasionally. When Kamala, his sister, asked him whether he could remember his mother or not, then Gopi replies that the cost of living in Delhi is very high, and more than that, he has to keep up his status there. So, he wants to raise some money by selling his part of the family property. So, he came there. Then Kamala says he has taken 5 years' time to find his mother, and after selling his property, he will never come back. Then Gopi replies that he will come whenever he finds time to see his mother, and said that Amma can't remember him. Then Kamala crosses whether he has remembered his mother at all. Dear children, with this the story ends. Now, after learning this story, we can come to a conclusion that in this manner, by taking the imaginary characters, Kamala Das, the author of The Tattered Blanket, reveals the deteriorating human relations and degrading family values in society. The character of Gopi is a live example for the irresponsible and thankless children who don't have any concern for their old parents. Now children, I think you have understood the characters of Gopi and Kamala. So now today's assignment is describe the character of Kamala and write a few lines about Gopi and learn the given vocabulary. Children, your assignment should write in your book only and show it after the school reopens. Thank you children.